Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. We're here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so there's a lot of cross currents right now. There's a lot of news. Pushed it down yesterday, made a lower low in the overnight. You can see the 50-day exponential moving average here at 52. The daily mid-band comes in around 73 and change. We're currently testing that from underneath. I will be very interested to see what the combination of 73, which is your daily middle Bollinger Band, the 20-day simple moving average, the hourly mid-band at 70, volume weighted average price 68, 5-minute middle band at 68, our proprietary moving average at 66. That 66 to 73 area is going to be the block of price that the bears are going to need to hold if they want to keep making lower lows and pushing down. And it's the block of price that bulls are going to have to convert if they want to get above daily pivot and try to seek another look or another attempt at the weekly pivot. This typically is where the bears start to run into trouble. They're going to need the news flow to stay in their favor if they're going to get this done. That's basically your day. Last night, they just kind of did this bear flag up off the bottom. I tried some shorts in here. We were actually long, and we got stopped out even overnight on this. And, 3 in the morning, I'm not going to beat myself up for whatever the hell happens at 11, 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Because I'm sleeping. So what I want to see today is how does that block of price react? How does the daily mid-band react? A huge day yesterday. I'm expecting the volatility to continue. There's no reason for it to die down. You have a lot of geopolitical cross currents, and they are starting to come to roost. So that's where we are, 66 to 73. That gets you a lower low. If bears convert, it gets you an attempted move back to weekly pivot if the bulls convert. Take care. Trade them well. Come trade with us. You're going to love what you find. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.